Why is it so hard to just get up and do the things you know you should be doing? You tell yourself, tomorrow, I'll be productive. But tomorrow never comes. This cycle, it's not just laziness. It's a trap, one that silently steals your potential. Think about it. Every time you choose comfort over progress, you're strengthening the habit of procrastination. Every skipped workout, every delayed task, every ignored goal. It's like feeding a monster inside you, one that thrives on excuses and kills your dreams. But here's the truth. Self-discipline isn't about motivation. It's about systems. And the simplest system? The 5-minute rule. The next time you don't feel like doing something, tell yourself, I'll do it for just 5 minutes. That's it. Because once you start, momentum kicks in, and finishing becomes easier than stopping. Pair this with identity shifting. Stop saying, I need to be more disciplined. Instead say, I am a disciplined person. Your brain follows the identity you reinforce. Start now. No more waiting. Your future self is watching. Make them proud. If you're serious about rewiring your mind, watch Overcome Fear in just 3 minutes next.